Have to do one more video. Karen's taking video from there. And this, so the day, 8 and 9 goose hunts were up on the hill. We looked down into the sanctuary. If you followed along with those hunts, this is the sanctuary. Pretty freaking crazy, eh? You seen all kinds of birds?
Yeah. They're walking out there.
It's very shallow, yes. It is cool stuff. Yes, sir. What do you see?
The barnacle.
You spot him?
Yep.
How far out, you think?
He's in the middle of it.
Karen, if you look over this way, there's a barnacle goose. Kind of. It's like in the standing water.
Yeah, he's standing.
Like on this side of the seagulls or the other side of the
There's
seagulls?
a bunch of seagulls, and he's right in the middle of it.
So right in the middle of the seagulls, Karen. That's what Jeff says.
So it's kind of gray and spotted.
Well, remember
Black, like he's got his head turned back. And there we go. He's got his head turned back, but he's definitely, you can see the black chest in the
Okay. My camera, I'm on him. Where's Karen? I'm gonna need to borrow the glasses to see, but no. Hers are dialed into my eyes pretty good. Yep.
And he's right in amongst them. You'll see his black chest. There's a pintail to the right.
I see the pintail. Or a pintail.
Okay, see that goose there? There's so many, it's hard to...
Oh, I see him.
Yeah.
Yeah, here, Karen. I'll get you down.
Yeah, he's look.
Yep. He's turning. He's kind of going to the right a little bit.
You can see his head now.
Yep. Okay. So, go in those. Get to the tree.
This tree.
Yep. And kind of move to your left. And I can almost see him with my eyes right now. He's in the seagulls, but maybe on this side of the seagulls a little bit. Well, you just got. I can see him with my naked eye.
Yeah, you can.
Yep, I can. I can spot him. No, I'd say he's on our slightly on our side, but he's kind of in them, right, Jeff?
Yeah, there's seagulls all around.
Like
to the left.
Is his chest looking right at us?
Yep.
There. I'm sorry. I'm sure I can see him with my eyes now. He's definitely the oddity in the bunch. You can't see it, Karen? I think you're... Okay, so the angled tree, come down to that, and then like lower the glass. He's on the back side of the gulls there. Just a big old white chest on him. You're not seeing it? he's on the other side of this. Like all the seagulls be on the back side of the seagulls, the furthest away, kind of in line with that angled tree down.
What color head does it have?
It's black.
Oh.
Is he? Okay, because when I was looking at him, okay, but he's right on the back side of that, of most of those gulls.
And he's standing or down?
To me, he was kind of sleeping when I saw him. And is the white head? I can see it. Yeah, I can see it right with my.
There's a goose flapping right behind you.
Which way, left or right? He's just on the back side of the gulls there.
Oh, shit.
Do you see him?
Yeah.
Awesome, cool.
Yeah, I just spotted it.
Right? It's pretty unique, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Yes, there's the gold right to his right. There's a big black chest.
I'm going to try to zoom in. I don't know how good it'll look.
You know, he's kind of sleeping. Put your head up on it. Oh,
So would you say that this is is this uncommon, like for all this kind of, if you want to call them oddities this year, or is this just more people are being observant, or
Yeah, but
they're just always here kind of thing?
they just seem to be coming a little bit more regularly,
Okay.
really. And then I think because of that, people are looking for
More,
more. So,
right.
you know,
Just
the
like
flock,
you-
the flock comes in and you're looking for
Right.
something different.
Just like you stopping here to look to try to find it.
Yeah.
Yeah. What, love?
yeah. I could almost say he looked like a turkey.
A turkey?
Wow, he's big.
It is very cool. All right. Once again, thank you for following along. Day 10 of 17. We've officially found the Barnacle Goose, which there's got to be more than one. Wouldn't you think?
There could be.
I would think there would be more than one. If there's one, there's got to be a second one. Although they don't seem to be hanging out together. So, all right. Thumbs up if you like Barnacle Geese. Thumbs down if you don't. And if you're not already, please subscribe. So, thank you very much. And as always, thinking of you, we are. Ha.